Hi friends, Rhonda Griffin here with another Quick as the Bunny video. I hope I can make this quick enough for you. The reason I chose to show you this is because it is the all-time largest traffic getter on my blog. It's the nail polish holder tutorial. So I've redone that with a slightly larger size and updated the stamp that I put on it. So I hope you'll enjoy it. You start out with a piece of cardstock that is 8 inches by 6 inches. You score the 6-inch side at 1 3/4 and 4 1/4. Then when you put the 8-inch long ways, you score at 1 3/4 and 3 1/2. And then at the 5 1/4, you only score up to the score line from both sides. Then you cut that piece away. You'll notice here I cut just a little bit off so that when you fold it up, it is a much neater look. I like to leave all 3 of these pieces on because it creates a stronger box in my opinion. So you'll have it folded up like this. Then this piece from the Garden Impressions Designer Series paper will go right here. Now I'm going to take the new detailed trio punch and corner round both the Designer Series paper and my cardstock. Just to give it a more finished look. I haven't completely decided if I'm going to cut a little slit in the top like I did last time. You'll have to check on my blog to see what I did on that. Then for the front of the box, which will be here, let me put that back together for you so that you can see. With the Waterfront stamp set, I made this cute little beach scene. I used Sahara sand for the sand, which is still a little dark. Used the new balmy blue for the ocean, pool party for the sky, and I used a pencil eraser that had never been used to make the sun in So Saffron. And then, of course, I used one of our sponge daubers to just, and barely any ink on it at all, to create the sun rays around the sun. And I used the Stampamajig to make this a little easier and faster. So I'll just stick this on the front and this up here, and then the inside will have my OPI, and you'll see how that looks finished on my blog. Thank you.